Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to
To
Learn with
Phonics.
Phoenix. Okay, so what should we do today?
Today we're going to do phonics.
Phonics alphabet. What do you want me to say? The name of the letter, and then you can say the
Sound of the
sound of the
letter.
So it's the letter A, the letter B,
B,
the letter C, the letter D,
D,
the letter E, the letter F, the letter G,
G,
the letter H, the letter I,
E,
the letter J,
J,
the letter K, the letter L,
O,
the letter M,
M,
the letter N,
M,
the letter O,
O,
the letter P, the letter Q,
Q,
the letter R,
R,
the letter S, the letter T, the letter U,
U,
the letter V,
V,
what's the next one? I've forgotten. T-U-V, the letter W,
W,
the letter X, the letter Y,
Y,
and the letter Z.
Z.
Good boy. Okay, let's have a look at it. You stay there.